Thank you for stopping by my channel. Make sure you subscribe, click that bell, double click it so you get notifications on all, and while you're at it, make sure your phone has notifications turned on. Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. Happy Monday to you. And since it's Monday, that means it's time for another plan with me. So get your printables out. If you don't have them, go ahead and go to beautyandthestamper.com, find the printables, and you'll be able to get your monthly, your weekly, and your daily planners there completely free. And today I'm going to be doing the Dollar Tree stickers. So I chose these pretty little stickers. They look nice and summery, and I think trying to keep the summer as long as possible, but not the heat, right? So also I have from the Dollar Tree this cute washi tape. I thought it went really well. And then today I'm using a clear acrylic block, and that will be to tear my tape. I always try and give you different ways to tear your tape. And this is well, it's not new to me, but it has a nice flat edge there, so you can get a great tear just like that. You can also use a credit card. I also have an acrylic ruler that works really well. Whatever you like. And then of course I always clear up the bottom. Let me get rid of this. There we go. I always cover up my own. And I don't feel bad if you do the same. And then, if you don't know, these can be 3-hole punched, fit in a binder. They could be cut down to fit in the standard Happy Planner, or they could go in the big Happy Planner. So again, whatever you choose to do is good with me. I would love to see how you guys do yours. If you would put it in, if you use this, or if you just any plan with me that you do, I'd love to see. So you guys inspire me just as much as I inspire you. So if you go on my Instagram, you know, if you post a picture on your Instagram, just tag me in it so I could see what kind of plan with me you're doing. That would be great. And I'm not going to be using many other stickers today. I think I am going to put a little bit more up here. But yeah, I'm not going to be using all the other stickers that I normally use, because I want to kind of show you that you can make this pretty inexpensive. So, I mean, you can use this washi tape over and over and over again. I've used it multiple times. I love it because I'm an 80s child, so it works well for me. And then, but $1 for this, and then $1 for the stickers, and you're good to go. And I'd be surprised if I use all the stickers today, but you never know, it might happen. So we're just going to take these and start planning out our week. I've got a busy week today. It is the last day to use your bonus bucks. So if you are one of my Stampin' Up customers and you got bonus bucks last month, make sure you place your order today. I'd hate to have you lose those. All right, let me see here. I'm thinking, I was just saying, I have a busy day today. So because I have things I have to write in there, I'm just going to put this little guy right here. And then my Wednesday is more free, so I will put a larger sticker there. And I think what I'm going to do on that one is have this little guy kind of hanging right there. There we go. just like that. Isn't that cute? And then the colors kind of all go together. It's got the black with the black, and then some blue and the greens. I just thought it was cute. Here's the pink working its way in right here. All right. So I've got this one here. I might actually use all my stickers. I've got this one here that says Gentle Breeze, and I am definitely going to put this over here in between my self-care. You can't see. Let's move that up. In between my self-care and my gratitude, because we need them. We need them both. We need that for, if you live in Arizona, you're definitely grateful for the gentle breezes, but also for the self-care. You need to go outside, get just some fresh air, and I thought that was perfect for that. Now, on these particular ones, they are double up there, but let me show you. If you want to have like a flat sticker, you can take these off. They come off. I'm not going to, because I don't want to rip this guy. He's staying up there, but I have had them come off before, so you might be able to try that. Just heat it up a little bit, and then it will pull right off. So, and then to heat them up, I just use the heat tool. All right, we've got some fresh air here. That one would have been another one that's fun. And I think I'm going to stick that one right here. And I love this because I'm kind of, I want to say vignette, but what's the word I'm looking for? If you can think of the word I'm looking for. Oh. In photography, it's vignette. It's kind of building up a frame, if you will. And then I think I am going to use all my stickers today. I'm going to use this guy here, and he'll go right here. He'll kind of balance that gratitude out, leaving me Sunday. Got that. And then we've got our little stickers down here. I am going to pull some of that pink in right here. I'm going to put this a little bit lower because I want this notes to be seen here. So you cannot see. I'm so sorry. There we go. I want the notes to be seen. So work with the whole page unless you're going to be cutting this down to fit in the standard Happy Planner. And then I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to use all the stickers today, because I'm going to put this one here. And then all I have left is this little guy right here. And so I am going to use that little one. You guys, it was $1. That's all it took today. And I'm going to put that, well, let me think here. I could either put it right over here. Oh, there we go. That's where I'm going to put it. And I'm going to put it on that little line because it's going to anchor it a little bit. There we go. All right. So that is my weekly planner. I hope you like it. I am going to be doing tons of videos this week because I am back. And there we go. I hope you like it. And now all I'll do is grab my marker in a color that matches well, and that is where I write everything down. So again, today, oh, you guys, before I leave for my stamping people, I know, I'm sorry. I told you about the bonus bucks, but tomorrow starts a new promotion, if you wanted to join my team, and I will do a video for that, so look out for that starting tomorrow. And it's the new promotion is amazing, and it starts tomorrow and goes through the month of September. And then also the new Stampin' Cut machine goes on sale tomorrow. All right, unfortunately, you won't be able to use your bonus bucks because those need to be used today. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, go to beautyandthestamper.com. You will find the tutorials that I do. You will find my printer plantables, which are completely free to you right now. And you will find all my links to be able to shop with me on my Etsy, my Stampin' Up, or however you'd like to support me. And I do appreciate your support. Thank you so much, beauties. Have a wonderful day. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and then put your comment down below. I would love to hear what your planner theme is this week. All right, have a great day. Bye.